Hey friends, welcome back to your own channel Dear Solution. Myself Arjun Pariyar. Today we will discuss about the matrix, and believe me, this video is going to be amazing video, so don't distract your mind from the video. Today we are going to learn about the operations of matrix such as multiplication of matrix, addition of matrix, subtraction of matrix and division of matrix, right? Okay, let us move to our topic, matrix. Today we will learn about the addition of matrix, multiplication of matrix, subtraction of matrix and division of matrix. First one is addition of matrix. To add the matrix there is some condition. To add the matrices, the order of matrix should be same. The order of matrix should be same. To add the matrix should be same. Okay, to add the matrix, the order of matrix should be same. This is the simple condition, common condition to every matrix. So here let us take an example. For example, if A is equal to 1 2 5 3, for example, let us take the example, and B is equal to suppose 2 3 5, suppose 0. And how to add this type of matrix, these two matrix, right? Okay, to add this type of matrix, A plus B is equal to, just substitute the value A of this matrix. You need to just substitute this value. It means that 1 2 whatever the given elements, just you need to copy this. Okay, plus sign, whatever the sign, plus sign, right? Okay, plus sign also B here, 2 3 5 0. Okay, just you need to copy just the element of the, instead of B, just you need to write that element, right? Okay, is equal to, see here, while add the elements, you need to see the position, same position should be added, right? Okay, 1 2, this one and this 2 are the same position, are in the same position, so is equal to 1 plus 2, same position can be added here. Also the 2 and 3, this position are same, A1 2 position, this same position, we can add that one, right? So here also 2 plus 3, we can add that. Okay, also 5 and 5 also same position, 5 plus 5, we need to add that one. Remember that this is the basic method to add the matrix, right? Okay, another 3 and 0 also same position, so 3 plus 0, and it becomes, which is equal to how much, just add that one. First 3, this one is 5 10, also G3 plus 0 is 3, and this is our what, A plus B. In this way we can add two matrix. Okay, next one is subtraction. Okay, before writing subtraction, before discuss about the subtraction, let us take an example of this matrix, addition of matrix. Let us take that one. If question number 1, if A is equal to 5 0 2 1 and B is equal to, suppose that minus 2 minus 1 0 5, suppose that, find, our question is find A plus B. How to do this type of question? Addition of matrix, we need to add these two matrix, given matrix A and B, right? Okay, here in solution, given matrix, just you need to write first of all, and after that given matrices, just whatever you have given the matrix, just need to copy that matrix. Okay, 5, I'm going to copy that matrix, 1, and another matrix we have given, B is equal to whatever inside the element, just you need to copy that one, right? Okay, 2 minus 1 0, 5. What you have to find? A plus b is equal to what? A plus b is equal to what? We need to find this one. Okay, okay, here. Now here a plus b is equal to, just you need to substitute the given matrix. In example, no need to write, no need to copy this question, just you need to write the solution, right? You need to solve the solution, you need to solve the question. So I'm going to write the given questions. You need to write the given question. In the case of when you are not writing this question, then you have to copy the question here. It means that you have to copy the given data, right? Okay, is equal to how much? 5, 0, 2, 1 and plus sign. Whatever the value given, you need to just substitute, right? Plus sign, a, just substitute the value of a, and plus sign, here you have given plus sign, and also b we have given, just substitute that value b. -2, -1, 0, 5. Okay, now add that one. Same position should be added. Remember, always remember that same position should be added. Don't forget that case. Okay, 5 and -2 is the same position, so we can add them. Remember, we need to also see the sign, its sign. Okay, 5 plus into minus, the sign of 2 is minus, negative sign, right? -2. Okay, plus into minus is always minus, and whatever the value, just write that one, -2, right? Take another position, 0 and -1 is the same position, so we can add them. 0 plus into minus is minus and 1. Also for next position, 2 and 0 are the same position, so 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0, here plus 0, so 2 plus 0, and next position 1 plus 5, 1 plus 5. Just close the rectangular bracket, which is equal to 5 minus 2, how much? 5 minus 2, 3, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, minus 1, 2 plus 0, 2, 1 plus 5 is 6, and our this is our required answer of a plus b. A plus b, this is our required a plus b answer, element of a plus b, new element, right? Okay, subtraction of matrix. Now second one is the subtraction of matrix. Let us take that subtraction matrix. Second one, subtraction of matrix. Okay, यहाँ यसमा पनि कन्डिसन सेम हो. जुन कन्डिसन तपाईहरुलाई मैले भर्खरले एडिसन अफ म्याट्रिक्समा भने त्यो सेम कन्डिसन यसमा युज गर्नु पर्दछ हामीहरुले. सेम कन्डिसन छ. सो डोन्ट फरगेट दैट कन्डिसन्स. व्हाट इज द कन्डिसन? आवर टु एड अर सबट्र्याक्सन अफ द म्याट्रिसेस द अर्डर शुड बी सेम. सेम अर्डर को हुनु पर्यो अनि मात्र सबट्र्याक्सन र मल्टिप्लिकेसन हुन्छ. यो बेसिक कन्डिसन हो यसको. सो डोन्ट फरगेट दैट कन्डिसन व्हाइल एडिङ अर सबट्र्याक्सन अफ म्याट्रिक्स. यू नीड टु जस्ट सी फर्स्ट अफ अल whether the condition is satisfied or not. It means that whether the order are same or not, you need to first of all see that one and add that values, right? Same condition here also. To subtract the matrices, what should be same? Order should be same. The order should be same. The order should be same. Order should be what? Same. Order पनि सेम हुनु पर्यो सबट्र्याक्सन को मन केसमा. रिमेम्बर दैट. एउटा कुरा याद गरेपछि याद गर्ने कहिले के पनि भनेपछि एडिसन गर्दाखेरि अर मटेरियल सबट्र्याक्सन गर्दाखेरि अर्डर जहिले पनि सेम हुनु पर्यो. यो कुरालाई जहिले पनि ध्यान दिने. अर्डर. Let us take an example. Question number 2. Question number 2 for the example of this 2 subtraction of matrix, right? Okay. If, let us take, if p is equal to, suppose that p is equal to 8 minus 5 to 1. Suppose that p is equal to, I'm going to take this random matrix, right? And q is equal to, let us take another random matrix, 5 minus 1, 0 minus 2. Suppose that this is one is the another a random matrix. Let us take for example, find Our question is here we discussed about the subtraction. So here the question about the subtraction, find p minus q. Subtraction is the p minus q, right? Okay, how to solve this one? Let us do that. Solution. First you need to copy the question first of all, because in the exam you should not write the question, right? At that time you have to copy the given data first of all, and then solve what you need to find. First of all, write this one. Given matrices, just write matrices. Given matrices, A is equal to how much given? 8, sorry, not A, P we have given. P is equal to whatever the given notation of the matrix, just you need to write that matrix. Don't write another matrix, notation of matrix, right? Same matrix you need to write. 8 minus 5, 2, 1. We have given this first one of the matrix, and another we have given q is equal to how much we have given, just you need to copy that value, right? 5 minus बोर्ड अलि सानो भयो, त्यही भएर अलि समस्या भएको छ, यसलाई मेटेर फेरि हामीले गर्नु पर्दछ. 5 minus 1, 0 minus 2 we have given. Okay, I hope you can see from there clearly. Okay, p minus q is equal to what? We need to find this one. P minus q is equal to what? P minus q is equal to what? We need to find that one, right? This is our question. So here p minus q is equal to, just we need to what? Substitute the given values. P, whatever the value of p, you just copy that one. 5, 2, 1. First one matrix, instead of p we wrote this, the elements of matrix P. Okay, minus sign is there, so write here minus sign, and whatever the given value q, just you need to write that one. 5 minus 1, 0 minus 2. 5 minus 1, 0 minus 2, right? Notice this. Okay, p minus q, this much we have given, p minus q, and just subtract the corresponding same elements. You need to subtract, you have to see the elements, position of elements as well there. So the 8 and 5 are the same in position, right? So subtract 5 from 8. So here is equal to 8 minus 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5 minus 5 for the next position, next element, minus 5 minus minus plus minus 5. First of all you need to write minus 5 and just multiply this sign and this sign, whatever the given sign you need to multiply, right? Here minus sign given, minus sign given, minus minus plus, minus minus plus, so right here plus, plus how much? 1, plus 1, remember that. Okay, another for next position of element 2, same position, 2 minus 0 is 2 minus 0, you need to write first of all. Next position 1 minus minus 2, 1 minus 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 plus 2, 1 plus 2, it becomes 1 plus 2 is equal to, just subtract that one, 8 and subtract that. 8 minus 5 is 3, minus 1 minus 5 plus 4 minus 4. Greater value is in negative and positive value is small value, right? So we have to write minus sign, negative sign, and 2 minus 0 is 2, 1 plus 2 is always 3. Sorry, this is 2, and this is our a minus b, a minus p minus q, sorry, this is our p minus q. In this way you can solve, you can subtract any 2 or 3 matrices, right? Third number is in multiplication of matrix, multiplication of matrix, multiplication of matrices. Okay, how to do this multiplication matrix? There is also a common condition, a simple condition. There is also simple condition. Condition is this: number of column of first matrix, number of column to multiply of matrix, this condition should be there. This condition should be satisfied in matrix, right? Number of column of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. If this condition is satisfied, then we can multiply easily. Simple condition, this one, right? And what about the number of row and number of columns means? Just see here. Suppose that we have given A is equal to, let us take an example. A is equal to 1 5 3 2 8, suppose that 5 given. Okay, what is the order of this matrix? It of course 3 by 2, right? Because we have given the 3 row and 2 column, so it is the matrix of 3 by 2. 3 rows, first row, second row, third row, first column, second column, third row and second column. 3 by 2 is the order of this matrix. And let us take another matrix, and B is equal to, suppose that we have given B is equal to, suppose that 2 3 5 6 2 0, suppose that we have given. And what is the order of matrix? It of course 2 by 3, right? How 2 by 3? Because we have given the 2 row and 3 column. First row, remember that. First row, second row. 2 row, it means that 2 lines of horizontal line. Now how much vertical line? It means that how much column? First column, second column and third column. It means 3 columns. So 2 and 3. 2. First of all, we need to write row and after that column. So 2 by 3 is the order of this matrix, right? 2 by 3 is the order of this matrix. Here you can see the column of this matrix, how much? 2. This one is the row of matrix, how much? 2. You can see the same or not. See, number of column of first matrix, number of column of first matrix should be equal to number of rows of second matrix. Number of column of first matrix, column how much? 2. Number of column of first matrix 2, and number of column of second rows of second matrix, how much rows? 2 rows. It means that this condition satisfied. In this case, we can multiply the matrix. Simple case. This is our simple condition. Let us take the example. If A is equal to 1 5 3 2 8 5 and B is equal to this matrix. I am going to take this matrix example 2 3 2, how much this? 5 6 0. Find, question is find multiplication. Question is about multiplication, so find A into B. Multiplication B. A multiplication B. In this case, how we can do this? Just see that. Now, I told you first of all what to write. You have to given this data, just copy that data in solution. So, solution, given matrix, given matrices. A is equal to how much you have given, just copy that matrix. A is equal to 1 5 3 2 8 5, 1 5 3 2 8 5, and B is equal to, how much you have given, just copy that value, right? B is equal to how much? 2 3 2 5 0 6 0 5 6 0. This much we have given the data. First of all, you need to write the given data, right? And what to do? We have to multiply that. A into B is equal to what? We need to multiply that, 2 matrices. Here, multiply now. A into B is equal to A into B. How much given A? 1 5 3 2 8 5 into B. B how much given? 2 3 2 5 6 0. Now this is the main step. So how to multiply this one? First of all, be careful while multiplying these both of the terms, right? Okay, here what to do? We have to multiply the row wise to the column. row wise and column, row and column, row and column, like this we have to multiply. Okay, how to multiply this one? First of all, multiply this 1 into 2, 1 into 2, multiply row and column, row and column. Remember that row and column we have to multiply, right, one by one. So first of all, take first column, first row, sorry, first row, take first row, and then first column, multiply that one, and second row, first column, third row, first column. Again we have to do this one, first row, second column, second row, second column, third row, third column. Again what to do? Take third row and again multiply first, third row, first column, third row, second column. Like this we have to multiply. Okay, let us do that one. Is equal to 1 into 2, 1 into 2, position wise 1 into 2. So 1 into 2, right? And we have to add that one, plus 5 into 5, 5 into 5. Remember this, 5 into 5. Again for second row, again for second row and first column, second row. We have to take the position of second row, right? 3 into 2, again for 3 into 2, plus sign 2 into 5. So here 2 into 5, right? Okay, let us take some space. 3 into 2 plus 2 into 5, 2 into 5. For another third row and first column, third row, first column, third row is this one, 8 into 2 plus 5 into how much? 5. Okay, for the second column, repeat again that process. First row, second column, second row, second column, and third row, second column, like this. 1 into 3, 1 into 3, plus sign, add that, and second this one, 5 into 6. So 5 into 6. Again for second row and second column, let us multiply that. 3 into 3, how much? 3 into 3 plus 2 into 6, 2 into 6. Again for third row and second column, let us do that. 8 into 3, so 8 into here, 3 plus sign, how much? Another 5 into 6, multiply that, 5 into 6. Okay, again remaining here third row, right? Third row, sorry, not third row, again repeat that process by taking this third column, right? Okay, 1 into 2, 1 into 2 plus sign, 5 into 0 again, right? 5 into 0, 5 into 0. For second row and third column, 3 into 2, 3 into 2 plus sign, 2 into 0, 2 into 0. Again 8 into third row and third column, 8 into 2. So 8 into 2, multiply that and add that another one. So 5 into 0, 5 into 0. Close this rectangular bracket, which is equal to, just multiply and add that one, right? So 1 into 2 is 2, 2 plus 5 into 5, 25, 2 plus 25, 27, 27. 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 10, 6 plus 10 how much? 6 plus 10 is 16. For this term, just multiply 8 into 2, 16, 16 plus 55, 16 plus 55 maybe 41, 16 plus, yes, 41. Okay, 41. For the next term, 3 into 1 is 3 plus how much is 30, 33, it means that, and multiply this one, 9 plus 12, 9 plus 12 how much? 9 plus 12, 21. It becomes 21, 9 plus 12, 21. And another 8 plus 3, 24 plus 30, 24 plus 30 how much? 54. Yes, 54. This one, 1 into 2, 1, 1 into 2, 2 plus 5 into 0 is 0, 2 plus 0 is always 0. While taking this one, 3 plus 2 is 6 plus 0, 6. Another 8 plus 2, 8 into 2, 8 into 2, 16, 16 plus 0 is 16. And this is our final A into B, multiplication of A and B matrix answer. Like this we have to multiply this 2 matrix or 3 matrix, right? Okay, next one is division of matrix, how to do that one. I solved some one of the question I solved, just I'm going to describe you, right? Suppose that we have given A is equal to 8, 16, 12, 20 we have given, right? And we have to find 1 by 2 of A. It means that you can write this one A by 2, right? It means the division of matrix, right, by 2. A is divided by 2, it is division matrix A. Okay, we have how to find this one. First of all, solution you have to copy this solution, you have to copy this given the question matrix, and now 1 by 2 into A. 1 by 2 we need to find that one, so 1 by 2 into A is equal to 1 by 2, and substitute the value of A, what is the given the matrix, the substitute that are 8, 16, 12, 20, right, which is equal to just multiply inside that matrix 8 into 1 by 2, first element multiplication of this one, 16 into 1 by 2 also, here also 12 into 1 by 2, 20 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 4, just multiply 8 into 1 divided by 2 is 4, 16 into 1 divided by 2 is 8, 12 into 1 divided by 2 is 6, also 20 into 1 divided by 2 is always 10, and this is our final answer.